My question is, how do I persuade people in my class to believe in God?
You can just tell what is your personal experience. Do you believe in God?
Yes.
Do you think that God has ever helped you?
Yeah.
Do you think that God has ever fulfilled your desires and wishes?
Yeah.
Right? Then you can tell them, this is my personal experience, this is why I believe in Him. When I pray, He accepts my prayers. Right? But you cannot force anybody just to accept or believe in Allah Ta'ala. And you also read the book, 10 Proofs of Existence of God. It's a small booklet, right? That will also help you. And also read the book, Our God. Then you will know how to tackle the situation in different ways. Different people have different point of views and different ways of understanding, right? So when you read these books, you would know how to tackle different situations. And always show your own example. Say that I believe in God, Allah Ta'ala, and I have experienced His presence.